frustrating and sometimes distressing skin condition that can affect more areas of the body than just the face. Acne can appear anywhere on the body where sebaceous glands produce sebum, and acne on the back affects a surprising number of people. In fact, a study conducted on the prevalence of acne in the back found that acne on the back affects about 75% of patients with acne. Acne on the back. Acne in the back can just as caused by the same reasons why stains, pimples, pustules and papules affect the face. The sebum and dead skin cells plague the hair follicles. When this happens, bacteria can infect the clogged pores that result in red, bulging, pus-filled red bumps on the back, shoulders, chest and face. There are many home remedies that can help you discover pores, kill the bacteria that cause the follicles to become inflamed and help prevent new outbreaks of acne and pimples on the back. For example, natural ingredients such as tea tree oil can help disinfect infected pores, reduce swelling and soothe inflamed skin. Other home remedies to prevent back acne include sugar to help gently exfoliate the clogged skin and clogged pores. However, there are a number of reasons why it may be more difficult to treat acne outbreaks on the upper back and upper body. Acne in the back can be difficult to treat. There may be factors that contribute to why acne on the back can sometimes be harder to heal. It is known that irritation worsens acne and is called mechanical acne. This means that the red lumps and pustules due to acne on the back tend to be larger and more inflamed. They can even become deep, painful, pus-filled lesions called acne cysts. Let's look at some of the best natural treatments to get rid of acne. These can help clear out mild to moderate acne breakouts in the back. Tea tree oil. The anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antifungal properties of tea tree oil can be very helpful in this type of acne and reduce inflammation in infected pores. In fact, the tea tree is one of the best essential oils for acne, as it can also help dry the clogged pores and kill the bacteria that cause acne. To use tea tree oil as a natural home remedy for acne on the back, you need to dilute tea tree essential oil to make a tonic for your skin. Normally, essential oils are best diluted in carrier oil, such as jojoba oil, sweet almond oil or coconut oil. 5-10 drops per 30 milliliters carrier oil. Use a cotton ball, apply the tea tree oil remedy on the affected skin and allow it to dry. For best results, you should apply tea tree oil 3 times a day to help reduce the size of red, inflamed pores and get rid of excess fat.
I ask you 3 favors. 1. Share with your friends and family. 2. Subscribe. 3. Give it a like.